Welcome to instructional videos. Today we are going to set up the Eurofit straight wall display. So to begin, you're going to remove all the parts from this convenient carry case. So the first thing I like to do is connect the base together. So I'm going to lay out my feet, and then I'm going to connect the bottom pole to the feet. These poles won't have a number to match up, so they are blank. So I'll just use the snap button and insert the poles onto the feet. Next thing I'm going to do is connect the center pole of the base, and you're going to match up the numbers to each other. And then you're going to use the snap button to push it into place. Once I have my base together, I'm just going to set it to the side. And the next thing I like to do is connect all my shock-corded poles together. So depending on the size of your display, you may have multiple sets of shock-corded poles. So I'll just connect them together using the snap button. Next thing I'm going to do is connect together the top of my display. So I got my top of my display. Next thing I'm going to do is insert the side poles. Now, depending on how large your Eurofit wall is, there may be a connecting pole in the middle that you will need to connect. You should do it before you attach the last side of your display. And the pole may either be a skinny pole or it may be a snap button pole depending on how large your display is. So I have a small display, so I do not have a center pole. So I'm going to connect my other side. And then I'm just going to lift up my frame and insert it into the base, making sure to match the numbers. And I'm going to secure it into place using the snap buttons. So now I have my frame. Next thing I'm going to do is just lay it down and attach the graphic. So I'm just going to slide down about halfway and then lift up my display. I'm just going to keep working the graphic down. And it's just that easy to set up your Eurofit straight wall.